Say hi. You're on camera.
I don't see it though.
Yeah, but you're on this one. This is the recorder.
Oh.
There you go. I'll put it on.
Oh yeah.
What's going on? Oh.
Pick it. You got 2 males or what?
Oh! Vids! Let's see it! Hang on, put my gloves on.
Dude, those gloves I wore over on the bike ride, they are the best gloves you can have.
The best gloves.
I couldn't even, my hands ain't even cold.
Here, I'll record this one too. Here you go, record
the
that
ones
one
my dad gave me.
Let's see. See this kind of blocks?
I'll just hold it.
You want it?
Yep.
Here. Yeah, watch it. Yeah, we can take it off here.
Right here.
Mad mushroom.
How can I do it?
Oh, no one for that.
I think I got most of it out. Right here. Got a camera on it. Wait, so that's how you know it's going? Where it's going?
That was pretty good. Now do I press stop recording?
Oh no, yeah.
There.
So I got a. We'll have to look at the stats on my radio, but it took feet. So right now it's saying it's 3 feet. So let's see how high it got.
Jesus H, we went high.
Yeah, I almost lost her there.
How high have you went?